guys, I hope you are enjoying the view of the place. We are really driving direct to the place where we are going to have our dinner, guys. I hope you are enjoying the place. This is the best place ever, since the best town, the shining town. You can look, you can check the view, you can see how the apartment look like. They look very nice, beautiful. Sometimes we feel very grateful and we find that we are also moving out. Sometimes it is not easy for us to move out when we are doing our work. When we are doing this work, is not that easy. So once you get the opportunity to move around, to go around, you feel so happy, you feel so good, because it's not that easy, not that best. So guys, we are driving on our way for a dinner. Hope you're enjoying the place. Hope you like the view of the place. Actually, guys, say something, put your comment below, guys. Thank you for coming in, thank you for tuning in. For the returning subscriber, may God bless you. For the new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, tune the notification bell, get to find what I do in this channel. Guy, you can still revisit my video, you can go and visit my video, visit my channel Lucy TV. Gonna get so many things that I'm doing there, and I'm gonna learn so much about them. So I'm happy this day that you're moving, going. I know you're enjoying driving with me. As you have this a fantastic day that has never been before. Today it has happened. Actually, I'm happy. Enjoy the place, enjoy the day, enjoy this evening. Let's go. Let's go as we go and get to see what is prepared there. What is there, guys. Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Lucy TV. Thank you guys for the returning subscriber. May God bless you. For the returning views, may God bless you. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Continue supporting your girl. Here today I've decided to go for an out, guy. I'm gonna view a place, gonna see how it is, how the hotel look like. We are already in. I think you see my background and how it's look like. It is cold here, but we have to. This is the way they like doing it. Yeah. Otherwise, thank you very much. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing for my channel. Continue coming in. Sub. Tune in a notification bell. Yes guys, let's view the place. I think you're seeing how the place look like, and view it and look how the hotel appears. How do you feel about this place? How do you look at it? Actually, I like the place because you can see the green things. Actually, we feel that this is a desert, but what we see and what you feel about it are something else. Guys, I'm happy, I'm humble for visiting this place. Look the way it look like, how smart it is. Actually, this is the hotel whereby we are coming to have our dinner. So guys, I think you feel good, you feel happy, and oh wow, look at this place, look at it. How do you find it, guys? Put your comment below, tell me how do you feel about the place. Like the video, share, subscribe to my channel. For a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, this is the hotel where we are looking for a dinner, and you can see it, how beautiful it is, how smart and how organized it look like. Actually, I enjoy this place. I'm happy this evening, and I enjoy being here. Actually, I'm glad to be here. Not everybody gets a chance to move out and move around like I'm doing. So I feel so good. I feel so happy. I like the place. I enjoy how it is. Enjoy with me. Like the video. Enjoy with me. Enjoy the place as we continue moving on. As we continue doing so more. Whatever we come across. I tell you that I don't choose what to show you guys. I don't choose what to do for your family. whatever I come across, I feel I should share with you. Look, check.
Yeah, guys, I think you
Check
can
those
see those
chairs, how
chairs, the way they
nice.
look. They are very
How's that
amazing. I
for
like them.
that? Wow.
I like the
What do you
chair.
make
I
of
like the
them?
chair. I like them. Look at them,
They're
how they
very
are. They
nice.
look very
Very nice. I
fantastic. They
like
look
how they're
smart.
ornamented.
Yeah,
I
they
like how
look
they're
smart.
made. They look
They
amazing.
look
Look,
nice.
look,
I
look.
like
Leave
them.
them.
I
I
like
tell you,
them, guys. I
look
like
at
these
them.
chairs.
Look at
I
those chairs.
like them. They
You
are
see, there's
plastic
something in
made,
them. There's something
but
in this
look
place.
very
Wow, I
strong.
like
The
the
long
place. I
plastic. They're
enjoy
nice.
it.
Very nice guy. I like them. I enjoy them. Yeah, they look very fantastic. They're good. When you put outside your house, put it to make the home look wow, 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 wow. Yeah. So guys, stay with me. It is cold, so you have to put on a cold clothes. Wow. I'll show you the view, and I think I'm gonna enjoy it. Yeah, otherwise I'm good. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in every time I load on a video. May God bless you. Thank you very much. I appreciate for everything you do for me. Continue coming in, subscribe, tune in on the notification bell. Guys, I like the place. I like the place. Wow, the place is nice. Yeah, the place is very nice. I like it. I love it. It looks very smart. I enjoyed the night. I enjoyed this evening. I'm very, very happy to be here. Yeah, to have this moment, this evening, this night. Enjoy with me. Wow, wow. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you very much. Share this video, like, comment. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting, guys. Continue supporting me, continue being with me, support your girl here in Saudi Arabia. It was a very good day, a very nice time to be here this night. I'm happy and I liked the day. I liked the place. Wow. Although it is so cold, but otherwise, thank you very much. God continue to bless you. Let God bless you too much, 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 and more for what you are doing to me. Actually, you are supporting me. You are pushing me somewhere. At least and now I feel as I'm somewhere, and you are still moving. Let's still move. Support me, guys. I love you.